Hello, my name is Ratchatorn from info/2 number 14. Today I'm going to explain the program that I wrote. I will explain the new command first and then explain the working process of the program. This program will have only one new function, array. An array is a variable that can store multiple values. Its formula is a data type, array name, and in the square bracket is an array size. For example, int data 100. Data type is integer. Array name is data and the size is 100. There will be 100 boxes to carry the values. And finally, the array has a special rule. The first indices must start as 0. So in this case, the array will start from data 0 to data 99 because we have 100, not 1 to 100 but 0 to 99. You got it? Now I will explain the working process. This is all of my program. I divide it into 3 parts for easier explanation. Part 1. First, I declare the variables AMT, that is amount, each, min, that is minimum, max, that is maximum, I, most, and L most, that is last most. Then I display piece input amount of score and wait for the input value that will be updated in the variable AMT. Next, I declare the array name score and the size is equal to AMT, which in this explanation I input 5. So the size of the score will be 5, that is score 5, like this. After that, I use for loop. In this case, it will loop from each equals 0 to each equal 4 because AMT is 5, right? And in each loop, I print enter the elements of the array as score each and wait for the input value that will be updated in score each. For example, in the first loop, it will display enter the elements of the array as score 0. And this I input 5, okay? And the another 4 loops, I input 10, 9, 2, and 3 respectively. Then I print elements in the array that you input. And I use another for loop to list all of the values that I've just input above. So it will be like this. Okay, now part 2. This part is to find the minimum and maximum values from the input. First, I set min equals score 0 and use for loop to find the minimum by using if inside. If min more than score each, it will set min equal to score each, because we need to find the minimum. So if a value is less than min, I will set min equal to that value. It's an easy concept, right? Maximum is the same. Just change the sign from more than to less than. So the output will be like this. Minimum element equal to and maximum element equal 10 from the input value that I input the last page. Part 3. Descending order. First, I display elements in the array in descending order. And now you can see all of the working process of the loops. I will explain only the first loop. I is equal to 0. First, I set L most equal max plus 1. That is L most equal 10 plus 1 equal 11. Most equal to min, that is 2. Then in this for loop, it will loop from each equals 0 to each equal to 4. The first loop, score 0 equal 5. It will check if most, that is 2, is less than score 0, that is 5, and score 0, that is 5, is less than almost, that is 11. It's true, so it set most equal to score 0, that is most equal to 5. Score 1 equal 10, 5 is less than 10, and 10 is less than 11. So most equal to 10. Score 2 is equal to 9. If 10 less than 9, no, it's false. Score 3 equal to 2. If 10 is less than 2, okay, it's false. And score 4 is equal to 3. 10 less than 3, false. Okay. And finally, it will set almost equal to most, that is 10, and display the most, that is 10. The program will loop the work until the value of I is not less than AMT anymore. That will be the end of the program. This is all of the output. Finished. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. See ya.